Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the highest common factor given the following two numbers in their factors, okay? So the very first step actually is, for me, I would prefer prime factorization since they already give me in their factors. I would just need to break this up into their prime factor. So you see this one, actually I will write it as 2 times 2 times 3, 15 is 3 times 5. So for those who may have 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. 15 is 3 times 5. Okay? And I will just write them down combined. So I will have 2 power 2, 3 power 2, and 5. Let's move on to the other one. 6 and 20. I could write it as 2 times 3. That will be for the number 6, the prime factors. And for 20, I'll have 2 times 2 times 5. That'll be for 20, or the prime factors of 20. So that I can rewrite this as, there's 2 power 3, there's 3 of them, times 3 and times 5. And so finally, I could now compare them. In order for me to get my final answer. So HCF is therefore equals to, I just need to choose the smaller power. 3, 5 and 5 doesn't matter, it is common. 2 power 2 times 3 times 5. And 60. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.